Good morning, everyone. With a big smile from my garden, I'm welcoming you to my channel again. So, I have got these containers, which is rectangle in shape. I have got these ones for basically growing vegetables, because to grow vegetables we need a certain amount of depth to the containers. So, I have got 5 of these right now. 4 are here and one more I have kept here with some soil inside it, and I'm going to plant my first vegetable in this container, which will be chilies. Yes, that's the easiest thing that you can plant. I will explain how to do it, how to plant chilies from directly from your kitchen. So these containers basically cost around 80 rupees per piece, and there is 2 shapes to it. This is a small size. You get big size in 120 rupees per piece. I thought small size will be enough for me, and I am trying to make it in a budget. So I got 5 of these, and now I will explain you how you can plant or grow chilies in your rectangle shaped container. Let's start. Alright, now let's talk about chilies in your kitchen. So this is the basic chili, which is known as green chili or Hari Mirch. This is available in every household and it's very common in Indian kitchen. As we love chilies, we put it in every dish. So these kind of green chilies will not help you in growing chili plants. So we have to wait these kind of chilies to convert this color and this shape. So it is actually green chilies. When green chilies matures, it becomes like this. So the seeds of these kind of red chilies can be used for growing chili plant. Apart from that, there is one way you can also use the seeds, which is very easy to grow chili plants, is dry chilies, which is known as Sukha Mirch. This is also available in every kitchen of India, or basically it's a Indian spice which we use. So these chilies are in the best form to grow chili plants. The seeds of this dry chili will help you grow the chili plants very quickly. Now I'm going to tear this red chilies and take the seed out. So I am taking the seed out in this container, as you can see. Same way you can use more chilies, but for showing you I am doing this. So these many seeds are out, and we are going to keep the seeds with water for 24 hours. So add water to this container and keep these seeds wet for 24 hours. After 24 hours you can plant these seeds for your chili plants. Alright, now 24 hours is over. I am going to add some water to the soil, and now we are going to plant the chili seeds in it. To plant the chili seeds, I am going to make small holes and add some water. Let's add the water and put chili seeds with some gap, because they need space. And once the seeds grow up, we can take them out and put them in a different container so that they can grow individually. And every chili plant needs a lot of sunlight, so keep them in proper sunlight. And while the seeds are planted, you have to put water all the time, because these seeds need proper care and water until they grow up. So I am going to. So now, after planting the seeds, I have placed the pot in the sunlight. I will add water and keep it in sunlight for next 4 to 5 days, and I believe within that the plants will come out and I will update you then. Till then, Stay in touch. Please be subscribed to my channel and show lot of love by sharing my videos. Thank you so much.